Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best birthday tattoos are probably one of the most exciting and memorable ways to celebrate a milestone birthday, offering a unique form of self-expression and a permanent reminder of a special day, whether you're opting for a subtle, meaningful design or a bold, celebratory statement piece that truly captures the spirit of your birth year or a significant life event. Number 5. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. Get ready for dazzling fun with this amazing glitter tattoo kit. It's packed with everything you need to create beautiful, sparkling body art. With 24 fun stencils and 6 vibrant colors, the possibilities are endless. You can easily create unique designs that will make you shine. Designed for ages 3 to 8, this kit is simple and safe to use. It's perfect for hours of creative play and self-expression. Make your next sleepover or birthday party unforgettable with these glitter tattoos. It's also a fantastic gift idea for any creative child. This 33-piece set includes all the essentials: colorful glitter pots, brushes, adhesive, and stencils. Everything is ready for you to start creating. These temporary tattoos are a wonderful way to add some sparkle to any occasion. Enjoy creating and wearing your own dazzling masterpieces. What we like. This set offers everything you need for a fun crafting experience. It's perfect for younger children, making it a safe and engaging activity. If you're looking for a comprehensive and colorful option for a child's birthday party, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tattoos are vibrant and detailed, making them a great addition to any birthday party. Easy to apply and remove, these tattoos lasted all day without fading or peeling. Kids loved the variety of designs, from animals to stars, which added a fun element to the celebration. Number 4. Kids Truck Temporary Tattoos. Get ready for an explosion of excitement with our amazing temporary tattoos. Perfect for little adventurers and partygoers. Featuring cool designs like monster trucks, race cars, and checkered flags, these tattoos bring the thrill of the race to life. Add a touch of sparkle to any occasion with our metallic finish tattoos. They look fantastic and are super easy to apply. Elevate your next birthday party or celebration with these awesome party favors. They're a guaranteed hit with kids. Enjoy long-lasting fun with 75 vibrant tattoos. They're designed for boys and girls, offering endless creative possibilities. Simply apply with water and watch the designs appear. They are safe and easy to remove, making cleanup a breeze. What we like. Get ready for some high-octane fun with these awesome truck-themed designs. The metallic finish adds an extra cool factor that kids will love. If your child is obsessed with vehicles and wants a party favor that stands out, these are the way to go. What people say. These tattoos are so cute and look great on skin. The designs are vibrant and detailed, perfect for a birthday party. They are easy to apply and remove, leaving no residue. Number 3. Mermaid Metallic Foil Tattoos for Kids. Get ready for an ocean of fun with these dazzling temporary tattoos. They're perfect for adding a touch of magic to any occasion. Explore over 80 unique metallic and foil designs featuring enchanting mermaid and ocean creatures. Each sheet is packed with glittery goodness. Applying these fun stickers is a breeze, and they come off just as easily. Enjoy the sparkle without the commitment. Make your next birthday party or Easter celebration unforgettable. These are the ultimate party favors for boys and girls alike. Let their imaginations swim wild with these beautiful, bronzing tattoos. They're a fantastic way to encourage creative play and storytelling. Looking for a special gift? These ocean-themed stickers are a delightful surprise for any child who loves fantasy and sparkle. What we like. Dive into a world of enchantment with these beautiful mermaid and ocean-themed tattoos. The shimmering foil style makes them truly magical. If you're planning a mermaid-themed party or looking for a delightful gift for ocean lovers, these will make a splash. What people say. The tattoos are vibrant and detailed, making them a fun addition to any birthday celebration. Easy to apply and they lasted all day without fading, even with kids playing. Great variety of designs, from cute animals to cool patterns, something for everyone. Number 2. CORRURE Gold Metallic Party Tattoos. Get ready to shine with our dazzling gold metallic tattoos. They're the perfect accessory to add a touch of glamour to any celebration. Make your birthday unforgettable with these trendy flash tattoos. They're designed to make you and your squad stand out on the dance floor. Whether it's your 18th, 21st, or any special adult birthday, these temporary styles are a fun way to mark the occasion. Applying them is a breeze, and they offer a stylish, temporary look that's perfect for parties. Enjoy the fun without the commitment. These 48 pieces are ideal for birthday squads, ensuring everyone gets to join in on the metallic fun. Elevate your party look instantly. Designed for both girls and men, these tattoos are a fantastic way to express your festive spirit. They'll keep you sparkling from dusk till dawn. What we like? Add a touch of glamour to your next celebration with these chic gold metallic designs. They are perfect for adding a stylish flair to adult birthdays and events. If you're looking for sophisticated temporary body art for a milestone birthday or a girls' night out, these are an excellent pick. What people say. The tattoos are very vibrant and colorful. They are easy to apply and remove. The designs are cute and perfect for a birthday party. Number 1. EXO, Fetti Unicorn Party Favors Temporary Tattoos. Add a touch of magic to your next party. These temporary tattoos feature enchanting unicorn designs that kids will love. With 26 different styles, there's a magical design for everyone. They're perfect for sharing and creating fun looks. Make birthday celebrations extra special with these unicorn favors. They're a delightful addition to any party bag. These aren't just party favors, they're also fun toys and decorations. Let imaginations run wild with these enchanting designs. Planning a costume party or need a fun accessory? These tattoos are a fantastic way to complete any magical outfit. Applying them is a breeze, and they come off easily too. Enjoy the fun without any hassle. What we like? Unleash the magic with these whimsical unicorn-themed temporary tattoos. They feature a wide array of enchanting styles to delight any fan. If you're planning a unicorn party or need adorable favors that kids will adore, these are a perfect fit. What people say. These tattoos are super cute and look like real jewelry. They lasted for a long time, even through swimming and showering. The variety of designs was amazing, perfect for a birthday party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.